Hi everyone and welcome to Crypto James. It's Guy here, and in today's video you're going to learn about one of the best platforms that you will be able to play to earn, meaning that you will be able to play games and earn money while doing that. So make sure to watch till the end in order to learn how to do that as fast as possible. Please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So first of all, what is GemUni? So GemUni is building a decentralized NFT gaming platform for play to earn for everyone around the world to engage in fun, easy, and play to earn games. Users can enjoy diverse, addictive, casual games and signature games while monetizing their experiences with gaming platform rewards and NFTs transactions. Now you can imagine it as a decentralized version of Steamwork and purchase with NFTs and play to earn mechanics on platform level. Now in the first quarter, GemUni will launch its own NFT marketplace and gaming platform with 100 plus casual games played to earn, and 3 signature games include Cyber Race, Moon 2050 and Zoody Boom. Now as you can see, they have a very beautiful website. Now why GemUni special? So a casual gaming platform with a priority of fun, easy and play to earn, GemUni desires to leverage people's gaming experience with blockchain features. Now the combination of the popular casual gaming model and a play to earn mechanism is expected to mark a big move for GemUni in the industry. Now, a signature gaming platform, GemUni also has plans for unique signature games, and they will be built separately to maximize earning opportunities for users. Now, the chances are they will be able to experience with special development from the GemUni team around the first quarter of 2022. And besides that, GemUni will also bring the table different game tournaments and challenges along the road. Now, these events will show up by weeks, months, and seasons, keeping an active community for users to catch up. And the play to earn mechanism allows players to earn from normal gameplay and get reward from these tournaments and challenges. Like, think about it. What's better than earning money from the thing you love the most, which is playing games? I think it's incredible that you get this opportunity and an incredible platform that you have so much diversity, and you can actually select which game you want to play and you can change from one thing to another. And it's actually incredible because you can just keep doing it, enjoying from what you're doing and making money. Now, Gemini comprise of 2 ecosystems, Geni and Genix. Now in Geni ecosystem, users can earn more varied DeFi mechanics, as well as trade NFTs item on the NFT marketplace. Now, Geni token is the main project cryptocurrency, enabling users to buy Geni passes to access gaming, network, and purchase other NFTs assets. Now, Genic ecosystems, users can enjoy hundreds of addictive casual games, thousands in the near future, while monetizing the Hikaric experience with gaming platforms reward. Now, Genix token is their in-game cryptocurrency, which allows users to buy tickets and earn rewards. Now, by the way, they will have an IDO announcement on the 19th of January at 9 a.m. UTC, and the total allocation is $400,000, and the token price is only $0.2. So if you're interested to invest in this incredible project, make sure to do that as fast as possible. And as you all know, the IDO price doesn't last forever, and in a lot of projects the price is increasing tremendously, and sometimes even 10x or even 100x the price of each token. And if you will be from the early investors, you will have the opportunity, if this project will grow, to actually double your money and even more without doing anything and just by purchasing it. Now their token amount is 2 million, meaning that it's finite. So if you're interested, make sure to do that as fast as possible, because it doesn't mean that it will last forever like that. And the fully diluted market cap at IDO is $20 million. So if you want, you can also read about their tokenomics. Now, just that it will be easier for you to see, you can see that the Genix, the in-game currency, will be able to turn to Geni, which is the main project cryptocurrency, and there will be also other rewards tokens that can turn to the main project cryptocurrency. Now the payments is very simple. Buy Geni passes to access gaming network and play games to earn, and you will be able to trade NFT items on the GemUni's NFT marketplace. Now the rewards users who refer new players and also convert Genix to earn game rewards in the form of Jenny. Now, there will be also farming, meaning that you deposit Jenny for a fixed amount of time to earn interest, which is incredible, exactly like passive income. And also you will be able to vote. The vote of the proposed platform operation and new features development, and also support the community developers, gaming studios, and artist centers. Now, by the way, you can see also the incredible prediction of the token release schedule that you can see in here in the upcoming 3 years, that if you will invest your money, you will be able to potentially double and even more the value of it just by putting it there. So it's exactly like passive income. You just put it there and enjoying the increase of value of the money that you invested. And this is one of the benefits of the early investors in almost every project that succeed. Now, the initial market cap is 705,000. And by the way, you can see the Jenny tokenomics are built for scaling. As you can see in here, that there are different token allocations, for example, for the seed sales, for private sales, public sales, advisors and partners, team and operations, marketing, community, games treasury, farming and staking, and liquidity. So you see that they thought about everything in here, which actually shows how serious and strong project it is. Okay, and also you can see how strong and incredible this project by looking on their incredible huge community under Twitter that has more than 100,000 followers, and they have a very engaging community. As you can see in here, more than 66,000 retweets. And as you can see in here, that very engaging community and very strong community. As you can see in here, more than 60.3 thousand retweets and more than 54,000 likes. So as you can see in here, you have a very, very strong community in here. So if you want to stay notified and enjoy all the benefits and actually maximize all the benefits that you can make from playing their game and actually holding and investing in their token, make sure to go to the website GemUni.io by clicking the link down below. Now, lastly, I want to show you their incredible roadmap. So their vision is that they're building a decentralized gaming platform for NFTs and casual games play to earn everywhere, as I told you before. And now the roadmap begins in November 2021, that they launched a gaming site with basic features internationally and for exclusive partners testing, and airdrops events to build up social and community channels, and raise seeds and private sales and listing on CMC. And on December 2021, airdrops and NMA campaigns, and now we're currently on the first quarter of 2022. So they're going to launch on the 16th of January the NFT marketplace site publicly, and on the 19th there will be the IDO, as I said, on the 3 launch pads, the GameFi, Red Kite, and Crystal Go. And also they're going to be listed on PancakeSwap and CyberSwap. So if you will be able to purchase their token, make sure to do that as fast as possible. And as I said, follow them on the social medias, and you can get there by clicking the link down below to get to the website GemUni.io. And also, one of the most important things when you're looking on an incredible NFT project, or in general any crypto project, is to look on their partners. And as you can see, that they have incredible partners that are very well known, like Binance NFT, Certic, GameFi, and much more. So if you're interested to invest in this incredible project, like those incredible partners and those incredible investors, like as you can see that you can also find here well-known investors, make sure to go to the website GemUni.io by clicking the link down below. Then you will be able to get started as fast as possible. And if you have any questions, make sure to contact with them on their different social medias, and you will be able to learn much more. And you will be able to get started with this incredible platform as fast as possible. And if you want to change from one game to another, as you can see, you have a lot of different options that you can get started, and all you need is to click on play now, and hopefully soon you will be able to play and get started. So if you want to be one of the first that will play in those games, and will be able to click in here when you won't see the coming soon. So for summary, if you're interested in this incredible project and want to get started with play to earn games as fast as possible, make sure to go to their website by clicking the link down below and actually learn about all the games and all the options in here, so you will be able to enjoy as much as possible while you're earning money. So thanks again for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like, and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our Crypto James channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you with your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.